From beyond our solar system come rare visitors, objects that drift through our cosmic neighborhood, stay briefly, and then vanish forever. Oumuamua was the first we spotted back in 2017. Borisov followed 2 years later. Now, the newest arrival, 3i Atlas, is lighting up telescopes and stirring new questions. Are these just icy wanderers, or messages from something or someone beyond? An interstellar object is defined by its path, a hyperbolic orbit that proves it came from another star. Oumuamua was oddly shaped and accelerated without a visible comet. Borisov looked more like a typical comet, but carried unusual, pristine chemistry, material unaltered since another system's birth. Now comes 3i Atlas, detected by the Atlas survey in 2025. Unlike the first two, astronomers caught it early, before its closest pass, giving us a front row seat to a cosmic show billions of years in the making. Intruders Atlas reached its closest point to the Sun around October 30th, 2025, about 1.4 astronomical units away, outside the Earth's orbit, but close enough for detailed observation. What shocked scientists was how active it became long before that. Even far from the Sun, it started venting water vapor at nearly 40 kilograms per second. That's like a firehouse at full blast. It grew a bright, structured tail, with jets shooting from its surface and shifting colors reported by observatories around the world. By December 2025, it will make its closest approach to the Earth, still safe about 1.8 AU away, before heading back into interstellar space, never to return. Most scientists see a natural explanation. 3i Atlas likely formed in an extremely cold region of another solar system. That means its ices, water, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide vaporize even in the weak warmth of distant sunlight. High dust content, fracturing, or layering ice could explain the bursts and color changes. Hubble, Webb, and dozens of ground-based telescopes are studying it right now, hoping to uncover how other planetary systems build and break apart their comets. Still, not everyone believes nature is the only force at work. Oumuamua's strange motion once sparked talk of alien technology. Even Harvard's A.B. Loeb floated the idea of a probe or light sail. And now, fringe theorists have turned their attention to 3i Atlas. They speculate it could be artificial, maybe even a reconnaissance craft from a distant civilization, part of what someone or some called a galactic federation. That concept gained media attention after 2020, when a retired Israeli space officer, Haim Eshed, claimed world governments were in contact with such a federation, waiting for humanity to understand what space and spaceships are. Of course, there's no evidence linking 3i Atlas to any of them. But in the same way the Black Knight satellite legend captured imaginations, a supposed alien craft orbiting Earth for like 13,000 years, these myths show how easily mystery fills the gaps between data points. Every spectrum, every image, everything we've gathered so far points towards natural origins. Volatile ices, dust jets, sunlight, physics. There are no repeating radio signals, no metallic glints, no evidence of construction. Yet, the story of 3i Atlas reminds us sometimes what feels alien is simply unknown. Our technology just isn't yet good enough to answer those questions, or every question for that matter. And so, between science and imagination, speculation thrives. Oumuamua was our first messenger. 2i Borisov showed us the building blocks of alien worlds. 3i Atlas, it's a cosmic spectacle, alive, volatile, and fleeting. Maybe it's just a comet from another sun. Maybe it's proof that the universe is busier than we think. Either way, these visitors reminds us that we're part of something vast, a galaxy filled with wonders. This is the B-side. Keep watching the skies.